What's up guys, Toby here from I Travel Forever. I've got a very nice surprise in this box here, ta-da! And what is in here I will also show you, so enjoy watching. Alright guys, let's unbox this because I'm very excited to show you what's inside. Tada! It's the new Sony ZV-1. Boom! I'm so excited because this is the vlogging camera I've been waiting forever already. And here it is. Wow, it's super light. And I always like the designs of Sony. And I like the matte. 3, 2, 1. Bing! Here we are guys, and wow, it's very cool. I can see how it focuses on me, and this is the stabilization. I am just walking, this one is off and I'm walking and talking, and let's go this way. Alright, and now let's turn it on. Right, this one now is very steady and it seems very okay. Is it steady? Is it stable? Right, this is the active steady shot, and you can see it's more cropped in and more zoomed in, and you can see it's following much more on focus my head, and it's very good for vlogging, you know, when you want to have more focus on you, more the portrait, you're in the center of attraction, and you use the standard shot to have a wider angle to show people what's around you. Focus on my eyes, not on my wrinkles, because it has an eye focus. I also show you what it has. It has a super focus on moving targets. Check it out. Damn, you wanna get my phone? And since we're in Berlin, currywurst anyone? This is super fast. I love it. You can defocus the background, and now 3, 2, 1, make it clear again. Check. I'm honestly impressed by the design, the quality, and also the flipped screen. Perfect for vlogging. Right guys, so this was a little review to show you what this little new camera has to offer. I love it. Perfect vlogging camera for me and for my upcoming trips. If you guys like the video, give it a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, boom, because we want to show some love to Toby here. That was Toby from I Travel Forever. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.